Hello, welcome back. I'm Angela from artorai.com. This is just going to be a quick video showing you how to use a Bowmaker. I have covered this before when I was making a Crafter's Companion Complete Pro tutorial. I'll link that down in the description if you're interested. Now before you say anything, yes, I know that's not exactly in perfect condition. I did get this from Temu, so it's probably my own fault, but it doesn't affect how this works, and I will leave a link to a similar one that hopefully won't have that defect there. So it's a shame I don't have any really wide ribbon to show you, because you can make some beautiful bows with this. But the basics of it are, you get different sizes and you always get more of one size just in case you lose it. Now depending how far apart you have them, the sticks will be depending on how large your bow is. Right, so cut the length you'll think you need. There is a bit of guesswork involved in this, I'm afraid, but you take your ribbon round like that and you cross it over. Now you can either take the bottom one and put it over the top, or you can take the top one and put it under the bottom. It's entirely up to you. I find it's easier for me to take the bottom one over the top all the way around and under all of the ribbon like that. And then all you do, you bring it through and then you tie off the ends. Make sure that it's in the middle as far as possible. Pull it fairly tight and then, oops, take these out. And there is your perfect little ribbon. That's really cute, isn't it? That's lovely, that. And like I say, if you have some really wide ribbon, you could put them far apart and make a really big bow for a beautiful present or something like that. But then what you could do, you could, if you wanted some nice little tails on here, you could fold it over in half like that and cut it up, and there you end up with a nice little tail like that. It's entirely up to you. So fold it over. You would probably have to measure these to get them accurate, but I think that looks really nice, doesn't it? You can pull the tails down like that if you like, and there is your beautiful little ribbon. Now I do have some very narrow ribbon here. I'm not sure how this is going to fare, but I will put it, I'm not going to be able to do that. I'll put them two notches apart, 2 holes apart. Cut off some ribbon and the same thing, pull it around, cross it over, whichever way you want to go, the top or the bottom, but just take it right the way over and under, tie a knot, make sure that's in the middle as far as you can. This is very fiddly, but you can see there that you do get a perfectly cute little ribbon. I cut far too much ribbon off this. Now your small ribbons are not going to be very sturdy. They could come apart, but it's just to show you that you can use it for any size ribbon that you like. Right, to make a double bow you would need to take off a larger piece of ribbon. This time we're going to cross at the front, start from the front, take it around the back, cross it over and come round to the front, and then cross it as normal, take it over the top or the bottom, whichever you like, and then tie it as usual. Make sure it's nice and tight, and there you have a beautiful double bow. Isn't that gorgeous? Really nice double bow there. That's lovely. And of course, whatever you want to do with the tails is entirely up to you. And I just think that's really sweet. Be lovely for a gift bag or a card or just anything you wanted. So that's it. That is how you use the Bowmaker. I told you it was going to be a short video, and I kept my word this time. So like I said, I will leave a link to this Bowmaker in the description, not to this one because it's broken, but I will leave a link to some different Bowmakers so you can decide if you want to buy one and which one that you would like to buy. But anyway, these are the bows that I made. Got your double one, got your single one, got your double one, and I don't know where the black one went. Yeah, that one was a bit hitty missy, that one. So you would possibly use that for a card or something, but like I say, it's just to show you that any width, ribbon, any length, you can make pretty bows. I'll leave a link in the description if I find it to a Bowmaker that you made a massive ribbon for a really nice gift. So if I find that, I will link to it just to give you an idea of what else you can do. But these are great because I'm not fantastic at tying bows, but these are brilliant for people who, like me, struggle. But they're great for your cards and things like that, as I said. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful. Please don't forget to click that subscribe button and the notification bell. Once you've clicked your subscribe button, you can click it again and you'll get a drop down box with a notification bell, and that makes sure you get notified of every new video. So thank you so much for your support on my channel. I really hope this was helpful. Have a great day. Bye bye now.